guess we're back with Edward, so we're working him on his place thing. So remember, what we want to do is, we're communicating with the pager. We're just giving the pager, we're allowing the pager to mean more things, but remember, all of this training is only 3 basic behaviors: come, go, and remain stationary. So we're adding the move away. So get him out of there. To my pager. Oh, Edward. Working on building up his food drive, and it is working. So get him out of there. To my pager. Oh, Edward. Oh, Edward. So remember, right there, the pager means to remain stationary. Please don't start raining. It's not raining. Not that you guys have much empathy for that. All right, so same thing. Get him out of there. Pager for both commands, and we're basing on the way I'm gesturing. Just even from right there, I'm doing my little foot tap. Working on building up his food drive. It's going great. But there is a big difference, it's hard for people to understand sometimes, but between a dog that's really driven and one that's just accepting the treats. And ideally, like the one I have, Truffles, that one's very, very food driven. So it does have to do with the state of mind. And I do think he had treats used with him before, but he was never really trained when he was in drive. And so that's part of what that we have to overcome. So because right now we're mostly working on the going away, he's only going to get the treat for going away this time. So he's watching me. I see him. I'm going to get a little close up on his eyes and where he's watching my hand, and that's what we want. Oh, he's getting more animated by the minute. Something, I'm going to get him out of there. Get him on that left side. Because he's been previously trained in sort of a correction-based dynamic, he does, to me, seem to anticipate corrections at certain times. So we definitely, again, we're not using a correction-based dynamic at all, but we definitely don't want that. You guys are going to get a little slow-mo of it.